Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome to Siya Po Kapaganad, a program where education continues at respective media or television. I am Teacher Narsaima Undak Umpara, your teacher for this session today. Learn about identifying real and make-believe images. I will read and share to you a scenario selected from a story. Are you ready to listen? Awesome! Here it is! One day, Bea sat down for a couple of minutes and talked to her reflection in the water. Her nanay had once said about the diwata appearing in the water of the pond. This selection has underlined phrases. The first underlined phrase, talk to herself in the water, exists in real life. Why? Because this happening can be witnessed by our eyes in world. The second underlined phrase, the diwata appearing in the water of the pond, is an event that can never happen in real life. Why? Have you ever seen a diwata? How does she look alike? I know that answering these questions is difficult. Because the existence of a diwata will never be real or true. It is a fantasy, a make-believe, and a non-fact happening in our real world. Reading books, listening to stories, also watching movies can bring us to a world of reality and fantasy. We can encounter events, characters that may be true or just a make-believe. We'll know more about identifying real or make-believe images through comparing these two images taken from some of the scenes in the movie of 2019 entitled Aladdin. But before that, take note that after comparing these two images, we will be answering 3 questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by real or fact images? Question number 2. What do you mean by make-believe or non-fact images? Question number 3. How do these 2 images differ from each other? The first image is considered as real image because attending and socializing in an occasion can happen in real life, while the other image is considered as a make-believe image because it can never happen in real life. Excellent! Always remember that real image is a fact image, something that can be witnessed by our eyes in real world, can be proven, believable, and not an imagination, while make-believe image is a non-fact image, can never happen in real life, cannot be proven, unbelievable, and an act of imagining. Now, let us have a play. Just clap your hands once if the given image is real and twice if the given image is a make-believe image. Are you ready? Awesome! Now, how do you identify the first image? Very good! Real image. Second image. Very good. Another real image. Third image. Very good. A make-believe image. Last image. Very good. Another make-believe image. Learners, excellent. What a wonderful day we had. Today we learned again. This is Teacher Norsaima Undak Umpara saying, today we learned, tomorrow we make a difference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and goodbye. See you again tomorrow, inshallah.